Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan spring rolls. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need crisp vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, along with delicate rice vermicelli noodles. Don't forget the essential rice paper wrappers, which are the foundation of these delightful rolls. Finally, select your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a rich peanut sauce or a tangy sweet chili, to complete your culinary creation. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for preparation. Begin by julienning your carrots and cucumbers into thin, uniform strips, about 2 inches long. Finely slice your bell peppers and cabbage to add a satisfying crunch. Don't forget to mince fresh herbs such as mint and cilantro. These will infuse your rolls with vibrant flavor. Ensuring all your vegetables are uniformly cut makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable. With your fillings ready, let's start rolling. Take one rice paper wrapper and gently dip it in warm water for about 20 seconds until it becomes soft and pliable. Carefully lay the softened wrapper flat on a clean, damp surface. Arrange a small amount of your prepared filling, perhaps 2 tablespoons, near the bottom edge. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat, cylindrical shape. Repeat this process for all your delicious rolls. Your beautiful vegan spring rolls are now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately to experience their fresh, crisp texture. Offer a variety of dipping sauces, such as a creamy peanut sauce or a zesty sweet chili, allowing everyone to customize their flavor experience. You can also garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of crushed peanuts for an extra touch. These light, refreshing rolls make a perfect meal or a delightful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.